As you can see, that's the building that I'm soaking. See? Etihad Tower, Adnok Tower, and then Presidential Palace and Emirates Palace. Then Mission Tower. The other one is that building. The two building. That's a Mission Tower. The one building, it's Adnok Tower. The three buildings, it was Etihad Tower. That bronze building, that's, I don't know what is that building.
May nagkumbitay lang.
Saan?
Mga tao yata yun. Ayan o, nagkumbitay nga.
Saan? May ano pala, sport. Parang ano, parang World Wadi.
Direct Marbista ang tawag dito. Tanong ka sa security. Love life outside. Tanungin mo yung security lab. Are you not going inside?
It's not allowed.
Why?
You need to book.
You need to book?
Yeah, you need to book the
Why?
room.
This is a hotel?
But it's very cheap, you know.
How
There
much?
is a tent, 150.
Oh,
And then the villa is 1,500.
maybe we can go inside now
Expensive.
because it's free.
The villa, it's expensive, but the tent, it's very cheap.
Maybe we can go inside now. We will use the tent. We will pay 150.
Okay. Dito daw tent. Tingnan nga natin yung tent. Dito sol.
Hanggang dyan ka na lang sa gate.
Maliit lang yung tent. Yung ganda mo.
Oo nga, maganda nga ang view. Pasok tayo. 150. May free food na yon?
Good for two.
May free food na?
I didn't ask. Excuse me. If you book a room,
Not room,
if,
tent.
if you book the tent, 150.
So only the tent.
Well, we'll just find outside. If you want to buy from mine, just but I know it's expensive. But when you come with your food, you can grow your food from there. You can come from there.
Thank you. Have a good day.
Hindi makapasok. Oh, we are going, guys. We just passed by because
Tingnan mo nga kung naon dito.
you need to book a room, but it's very cheap, you know. The tent, it was a 150 only. Then you can bring your food, you can do some barbecue, but it's nice. And then there is a VIP room. It was a villa, but the tent, it's nice, it's really nice. Nee, look at the tent.
Yeah.
Wait. Look at that tent. 150.
Ay, hindi mo natanong kung 24 hours ba?
Hindi ko na.
How many
Oh,
hours?
yun nga, 24 hours. One night and one day.
Ang isang tent?
Oo.
Ah.
One night and
Hindi
one
pwede
day.
pala tayo dyan mag-picnic.
Sorry guys, you cannot see the tent because there is some,
Anong sinabi ng
nakabara.
security? Pwede pala tayo matulog dito. Bawal.
You know guys, at night time, it's nice to stay at the tent because it's cold. But if it's in the daytime,
Summer na.
wow, you're going to burn.
Kung summer na.
Yung summer. It's nice. Wow, it's windy. Let's go guys. We're gonna have a walk. Walk. Nothing to do, just walk.
Lalakad ka. Nakatalikod.
Just there. And then
Where are you going? Ang ganda lang. Walang init. So cool. Woo. Tumba ka dyan eh. How many minutes na?
okay, let's go.
How many minutes? How many minutes? 3 minutes na.
Okay, just cut it. Lumapit kaya tayo doon, no? Oo, nakita dito.
Kikita mo?
Lumapit kaya tayo doon, no? Sa may paikot ko muna ito.
Sige, ikot mo. Naalala ko yung oo nga, yun nga. Ang daan. Saan ang daan?
Diyan, oh. Parang ano, pwedeng sumakay ata dyan.
This is both for
Tingnan lang natin.
Respectful clothing. Bayan. Bayan ito. Tindak na.
This is the play area for the kids. But for now, it's closed. I was feeling wide. I was feeling...
Arte na tayo. Sakay ka lang. Okay lang. Pumunta ka sa bato. Hinay-hinay ka dyan. Diyan ka dumaan sa bato. Wide ko. Pero ang lapit mo na.
Wide!
Wide nga. Lapit mo na.
Wide! Zoom yun!
Ay, anong wide?
Yung ganun.
Ah, yun na nga.
Nakatalikod ako. Yung likod yun.
Tama na?
At ako'y nauuhaw na. Kaya may machine. Kung gusto mo ng coffee. How much the water? How much the water? 2 dirham. If you want coffee. Ito, sugar, espresso, ito, macchiato, premium, americano, latte, premium, cappuccino, white cocoa milk tea, cardamom tea. Ngayon, tayo nagugutom at tayo kakain. Magmumukbang tayo. Yung shrimp. Sarap. Ay, naku, madadagdagan na naman ang timbang. Mahirap pa naman magpapayat. Pero masarap kumain. Ang magagawa na. Diba, guys? Ngayon lang naman to. Ah, dyan yung ano, oh. Picture ano nga ako dyan? Yes.
Picture na tayo kasi tinatanong niya kung saan tayo.
Dito tayo dyan kakain.
Saan tayo?
Ayaw ko ng grilled. Doon tayo. Grilled. Doon tayo
Dito
yung
tayo sa
ano,
shrimp.
shrimp.
Ah,
Shrimp.
ayun, shrimp pot. I-wide mo. I-wide mo yung shrimp pot. Ay, i-wide, i-picture.
Yan.
Doon tayo sa
Excited! Yan lang yan.
Dito tayo o doon tayo banda?
Mahangin naman eh. Doon na lang oh. Doon na lang oh sa may ano. Or dito na lang tayo. Dito.
Dito tayo?
Doon kasi may ano eh. Hindi tayo makapag-video.
Dito na?
Pwede sa loob.
Ayoko sa loob. Doon na tayo sa labas.